Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to make free business emails using Zoho Mails. So right now, as you can see, we are at Google, and obviously we are going to search over here like Zoho Mail. And once you search this, you can see we have something over here like zoho.com mail if you want to go direct at the mail, but obviously we are going to create those, right? So scroll down, you will see that zoho.com login and etc. But I don't think we can see that the actual website over here. I don't know why, but we are going to search that, no problem, www.zohomail.com, and after that it will take you to the main page where we are going to work on. And just wait for a while and you will be redirected over here. So as you can see, we are at Zoho, right? So first of all, we need to understand like why we are using Zoho. So like, what is Zoho Mail used for, right? So it aids users to send emails within the organization and to their business or personal contacts for official or personal purposes. So Zoho is one of the best out there, and I think it's one of the best business email services tested, and it uses sophisticated security features and offers a great free option and even better paid like for versions, but its collaboration tools are where Zoho Mail really stands out. So as you can see, this is like if you scroll down, we have our dashboard of Zoho Mail, which we will talk about this later, and you can see all the information over here. But what do you need to do? You need to go and click on pricing, because first of all we need to see the pricing, and obviously we are going to talk about is it free or not, right? So right now you can see we have Mail Lite $1, Mail Premium $4, and Workspace $3. But if you scroll down, you will see that you have your forever free plan over here, up to 5 users, 5 and 5 GB per users, and 25 MB attachment limit, web access and free mobile apps, email hosting for single domain. So just remember that, right? So I'm just gonna click on this, and it will provide us forever free plan. So I think it's one of the best out there, and just wait for a while. But there is one thing which you need to know before logging in, that you need to have your domain, and obviously to get domain you need to pay for that, right? Once you have domain, you will end up like come back over here and just enter your details over here. After signing up, it will ask you about, like in the future in Zoho Mail, about the domain. So just remember that you have to get domain already, right? After that, so once you log in, you will end up over here. So as you can see on the left side, we have multiple options out there like hosting, setup users, setup groups, DNS mapping, email migration, and Google, oh so not Google, Go Mobile, and you all set. So first feature, like whatever we are going to do, is domain addition. Like I have told you before, you have to get your domain, and for anywhere you want, right? After that, once you are at hosting, click on add now, and it will take you right over here where are like you are going to add your domain, and you provide your organization name. So as you can see, provide your existing domain name. I have told you multiple times, but again, you have to get your domain, and make sure to open your domain on the different tab, because we are going to work a lot of that from that website. Why? Because we would need DNS mapping and all those codes, not code, I guess I will show you what I'm talking about, like keys which you need to integrate in a way to connect your Zoho Mail with your domain, right? So once you add your existing domain name and you provide your organization name, click on add. After that, it will say that your domain added successfully, and you need to prove that you own this domain. So click on proceed to domain verification, because they need to verify that, right? Once you click on that, it will take you right over here, and make sure on the top you can see add a text record in the DNS. So it is recommended, and you need to make sure that it has been selected. Just take a look on it, and you have your txt name over here and txt value over here. So make sure to copy that txt value, and make sure txt name you need to only add uh, you know uh, you need to only add at. You can see that, and leave a blank after that and paste your value on your DNS mapping or settings in your domain. So whatever your domain is, go over there, go to your DNS settings and add those things over there, and make a new record under under that below, and you can just add that information. After that, click on verify txt record, because you have added that to your domain, right? Once you does that, click on verify txt record. So you can see that you have now verified your domain ownership. Once you does that, obviously Zoho knows that you have added those value to your domain and they verified that. Click on create after writing your username. It will take you right over here, setup users. So here you are going to add setup users. So in free version you can only add 5 including you. So meaning you can add 4 more including you, obviously. And how you can add that, you can see on top, like plus add import, if you can, like you want to import, or you can give invitation with some their email and etc. But if you click on, it will take you right over here and you are going to fill it out. How? Click their name, first name, enter their first name and last name, username, which is necessary obviously, and password for them. So what happens now, you are creating for them a user ID with their name, and you can add also, like upload a photo if you want. And after that, like the last one, you can see over here, force user to change password on first login. Once they get that invitation, they can easily change their password once they are going to log in. So every time they will log in to their password. So make sure to leave it as it is and click on add. You can also add photos obviously, so they can see that it has been made for you. So after that, just click on add. It will take you right over there. Once you added 5 setup users, once you added those people, all 4 including you obviously, those are 5 people who are going to use your Zoho mail. Once you does that, proceed to over here setup groups. This is our third step. Create your first group now. So click on that. It will take you right over here, and what you need to do, obviously simply, right, simple is that, click on group name, enter your group name, then group email address, add your email address because it can be provided to all of your users, right? Group description, and who can send emails to this group, to the group. So everyone, organization members, group members, only moderators. So moderators, it could be me, and organization members if you have added someone, or group members if you want. So it's all on you, whatever you are going to prefer, right? Next thing is, like, do you want to enable streams for this group? If you want to allow them, you can just do that. If you don't, it's all on you obviously. And after that, just click on upload group logo on the right side, and to differentiate different groups, right? You can just do that, everything over here. Click on proceed, and after this we are going to add people in this group. How? You can see add group, so you can just click on add and add many members as much you want. Obviously we would in free version we would only can add 4 including yourself. If you want to, you can just add 5 members. So once you does that, click on create group on the bottom, you can see that, and after that it has been done. This part would be done. So DNS mapping is one of the most crucial method we are going to do. So remember, I told you to open your domain, whatever your domain is, and after that you can see that log into your domain DNS manager, delete all the other MX records before adding the below records. Add a new MX record and paste the below MX values into the DNS configuration. So you need to go in your domain DNS configuration, and you are going to add these 3. Priority 10, address would be that mx.zoho.com.au. copy that, paste that, and after pasting all these 3, you are finally ready to send, like, verify your MX records. Once you does that in your domain, you can just come back over here. Once you copy all of these three, right, come back here, click on verify MX records. Make sure to understand that MX records take up to 24 hours to verify, so it would take so much time. And once it does, go back to, click on verify records, because it would take 24 hours. After that, it will take you right over here, and you can see that you have one more value after verifying your MX record. Just do the same thing, copy these two, and just paste that in your DNS configuration on your domain website, any domain, right? And come back over here, verify SPF records. Simple, everything is going very smooth so far. So what do you need, what are you doing so far? That you are adding people to your Zoho mail, you have copy and paste to your domain DNS configuration. That's it. So far you are doing this, and obviously domain, on the like on the top, you can see on the top over here, the first step, obviously you needed to paste your domain, right? After pasting that, you will see that one more thing like DKIM, and simply same thing, you are going to add this also into record. And once you does that, come back over here, verify DKIM record, and it will take you to the next option, which is email migration. And what are you going to do at email migration? Email migration allows you to transfer your data from your recent emails you have been using. So if you click on start data migration, it will take you right over here. There are multiple similar similarity between Zoho Mail, and you can just transfer your whole data from your workspace, Google Workspace, Office 365, IMAP, and POP, and Microsoft Exchange. So obviously if you want to do that, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, just skip this step. You don't need to do that. Just click on go mobile. Simply is that. If you want to do that, obviously go ahead and do that. It would take so much time, but it don't, if you want to do that, you just go ahead and do that. After that, it will take you to the go mobile, and what it does, like, stay connected with Zoho mobile apps. Our mobile apps are engineered with enhanced functionality of ease of use and speed. You can just click over here to download our mobile apps and manage your business on the go. So it's just telling you that go ahead and download our mobile app, because it would be so easy for you to, don't need to open your laptop or anything. Just go ahead and open your mobile phone and go to through the application, and you can just stay updated with the things from over there. So simple is that, right? Just go ahead and download from your Zoho mobile apps, right? After that, that's it. Your setup completed. You're now ready to continue your journey in Zoho Mail. You can just click on check out your inbox or go to the admin's console. It's all on you, whatever you are going to decide. So if you click on check out your inbox, it will take you right over here, and this would be your mail, Zoho Mail, and this is the dashboard of Zoho Mail, as you can see. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to make free business emails using Zoho Mail. I hope you understand every single thing, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, feel free to comment down below if you have any queries or feedback or questions or anything, and have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.